Hey everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski. I know I mentioned that I was not going to produce a week 8 lecture video, but I thought I would record one, not so much from a lecture perspective, but just to review some important items before spring break. Because when we get back, the semester is really going to take off here in COM 102. All right, so I'm urging everybody here to please look at the lecture video. I'm going to cover some of the idea of what the rest of the semester might look like. So here is the schedule, and as you can see, the annotated bibliography is due the Friday the 26th after we return from spring break. So I will be around. During spring break, I'll check email once, maybe twice a day. So if you have a question or an issue, you're going to want to please, send me an email. I'll get to it. Usually I'll check them early in the morning and then late, maybe like around 5, 6 o'clock. But I'll be around. I am on the computer. I've been teaching at College of DuPage all week because their break isn't for another couple of weeks. So I just want to make everyone aware of that. So then after the annotator, we're moving into chapter 3. We have the double entry journal. This is another respectable size assignment due. And then we're going to start moving into the drafting. The first draft and peer report will be due for the research essay. And then also we'll go through the peer review process. Then the final draft of the research essay will be due. And also we're going to do our multimodal project where you can regenre your topic in a multimedia type of a genre there. So it really picks up between the annotated, double entry, a significant discussion board post is going to be exercise 4.3, first draft of the research essay, peer reviews, and then also the final draft, right? So you want to know that the back half of the semester will be substantial here in COM 102. So let me get rid of this real quick. Also, after break, I am adding additional office hours. I will do my usual 10 to 12 on Tuesdays. That's 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Also, I've had some requests, and some people requested some evening office hours. So for some Tuesdays, I will do a 7 to 9 office hour. If something comes up and I can't make the evening, I'll keep those in the schedule. Let's see, I think I have them scheduled through the month of April, 10 a.m. to noon, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Tuesday. So be aware of the extra office hours, all right? So remember, we do use Drive folder, the Google Drive folder for a lot of our activities. So you have to upload the critical thinking essay here, and then you also have to grab your link and submit it to Canvas. Same thing is gonna be true for the annotated bibliography. Here I already have a folder set up. If you're unsure about where you're going for your annotated, you want to upload a copy to the folder, send me an email. While over break, I will take a look at it, offer some suggestions, give you an opportunity to pull it together. I don't grade anything until after the official due date, unless you notify me that you are done and you're ready for assessment. So I just want to make that clear on the annotated that we do have this a folder here, so you can drop a draft in there and have me give you some feedback on that. So just to get to the modules here for a second, I want to remind everybody that I've got the readings here and also the resource videos, YouTube video about EasyBib. Also, once again, I just want to point out in our Drive folder, I have the slide presentation for the Curious Researcher. So everybody did a really good job of the what's a good source of discussion board posts. But when you want to learn a little bit about some thinking about interviews, you can look through some of the slides I've uploaded here for interviews and surveys. You can get the content out of the textbook, but I've added that. And if you just want to review some of what makes a good source, It's here also in the slide presentation. So you have this as a resource also. All right. So once again, slide presentation there. Let's get into the readings and the videos. I need to just point out one more. Remember, I have the instructional videos here with the what is an annotation. And then let me see if I can get into the discussion boards. I don't want to go there. But also down to the annotated bibliography. I have the instructional video here. So you have all the tools over that can you really be successful in these activities over the break. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a roadmap of what we have out there, what is out there, and also what's coming up the back half of the semester. Have a good break and stay safe out there.